The world is undergoing a green revolution, and one of the key drivers of this change is the rise of electric vehicles, EVs. With an increasing number of companies and industries adopting EVs, there is a paradigm shift in the way we think about transportation. From reducing carbon emissions to improving air quality, EVs are transforming the way businesses operate. With the increasing demand for eco-friendly solutions, EVs are quickly becoming the norm. This has led to a surge in demand for content that educates and informs businesses about the benefits of EVs, and how they can incorporate them into their operations. In this video, we will explore the ways in which EVs are changing the face of business and industry and why companies should consider making the switch to electric. What are EV vehicles? Electric vehicles are automobiles that are powered by electricity instead of gasoline or diesel fuel. EVs use rechargeable batteries to power an electric motor that drives the wheels. They are becoming increasingly popular as people and businesses look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and adopt more eco-friendly modes of transportation. Compared to traditional gas-powered cars, EVs have several advantages. They produce zero emissions, are quieter, and have lower operating costs due to the lower price of electricity compared to fuel. There are two types of EVs, battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. BEVs are powered solely by electricity and need to be recharged using an external power source. PHEVs have both an electric motor and a gasoline engine, which allows them to run on electricity alone or switch to gasoline when the battery runs out of charge. Both types of EVs have their benefits and drawbacks, and businesses need to consider their needs before choosing which type to adopt. Benefits of EV vehicles for business and industry. There are several benefits of EVs for businesses and industries. One of the most significant advantages is their environmental impact. EVs produce zero emissions, which makes them an attractive option for businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Companies can use EVs to transport goods and services without contributing to air pollution or greenhouse gas emissions, which can help them meet their sustainability goals. In addition to their environmental benefits, EVs also have lower operating costs than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The cost of electricity is significantly lower than gasoline, which can save companies a lot of money in the long run. EVs also require less maintenance than traditional vehicles, which can save businesses time and money. Government incentives for EV vehicles. Governments around the world are offering incentives to encourage businesses and individuals to adopt EVs. These incentives can take many forms, such as tax credits, subsidies, and grants. The goal of these incentives is to make EVs more affordable and accessible, which can help accelerate their adoption. In the United States, for example, the federal government offers a tax credit of up to $7,500 for the purchase of a new EV. Some states also offer additional incentives, such as rebates and tax credits. Other countries, such as Norway, have gone even further by offering significant subsidies and tax exemptions for EVs. EV vehicle charging stations and infrastructure. One of the challenges of adopting EVs for business and industry is the need for charging infrastructure. Unlike traditional vehicles, EVs need to be charged regularly to operate. This means that businesses need to have access to charging stations to keep their vehicles running. Fortunately, there are several options for charging EVs. The most common type of charger is a Level 2 charger, which can fully charge an EV in a few hours. These chargers are typically installed at businesses or public locations, such as shopping centers or parking garages. Challenges to implementing EV vehicles in business and industry. While there are many benefits to adopting EVs for business and industry, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is the upfront cost of purchasing EVs. While the cost of EVs has been decreasing in recent years, they are still more expensive than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. This can make it difficult for businesses to justify the initial investment. Another challenge is the need for charging infrastructure, as mentioned earlier. While the availability of charging infrastructure is improving, some businesses may still struggle to find convenient and reliable charging stations. This can make it difficult to operate EVs on a daily basis, especially for businesses that rely on their vehicles for transportation. Future of EV vehicles in business and industry. Despite the challenges associated with adopting EVs for business and industry, the future looks bright for electric vehicles. As governments and businesses invest more in EVs, we can expect to see continued improvements in technology, charging infrastructure, and affordability. One of the most exciting developments in the world of EVs is the rise of autonomous vehicles. These vehicles have the potential to transform the way we think about transportation and could revolutionize the way businesses operate. By combining electric power with the convenience of autonomous driving, businesses could significantly reduce their operating costs and improve their efficiency. Electric vehicles are changing the face of business and industry. From reducing our carbon footprint to improving our air quality, EVs offer a wide range of benefits that businesses can take advantage of. While there are challenges associated with adopting EVs, the overall trend is moving towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.